Hey guys, RoonPicker here from that lockpicking video. Today I'm excited to bring to you Corona by Leyton. So we're going to be picking this challenge lock as a Euro cylinder, and you can see he carved Leyton in the top of the keyway, or I guess the Bible, and then on this side he carved Corona, and here is the keyway. You can see it's not too terrible, but it's kind of paracentric. So he put the key all mummified, and he wrote Corona by Leyton. There we go. You can see. So let's get this in the vise and see if we can get this open today. See, I'm going to put it right here. There we go. And 40 thousandths it looks like. Yep, 40 thousandths. And since that's a pretty tight keyway, we'll use our 18 thousandths set. So let's go ahead and get to picking. Let's try let's try clockwise actually. Let's see, am I getting anything more with that hook? Getting into a deep false set. There we go. It's easier to check these first 3 pins with this one, because I think pin 4 is a low cut, it feels like, when I try to slide my pick underneath there. There we go, there we go. Ooh, there we go. Now that's a false set. And come on, there we go, got it open. Sweet. One thing I forgot to note earlier is, you notice how this top is shaved off and it's like it's been painted blue. I thought that was kind of interesting. I don't know the purpose of that, but I guess we'll find out once we gut it. So let's lock this up and let's unmummify this key. Ah, that's some pretty aggressive bidding actually. Show it to you guys. Oop, not this way. It's pretty aggressive actually, but we got that open pretty good. Let's see if this key works. Oh, so it snags a whole ton, but it does come off eventually. So let's take my snap ring pliers and carefully got that clip off the back. Oh, I probably should get my pinning tray. What am I doing? And follower. Top of the keyway is this way. Perfect. Let's get these key pins out. Seriously. All right, there is 6, 2, 4, 6. Yep. Guess we're doing it this way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So pin 3 looks really cool. I'll show you guys that like I normally do in a second here, but I'm pretty impressed with how that looks. And we've got threading in 1, nothing in 2, threading in 3, nothing in 4, threading in 5, nothing in 6. Let's take a look at the Bible. Now that is a nice looking pin. I've never seen a spool of that tight of serrations before. Got our spring. Another spring. So that, wow. You did some work, Leyton, with these serrations. I've never seen such tight serrations before. Oop, that's shot off. All right, then to make it a little bit easier, we'll switch sides. Here's 6. Ooh, that's interesting. Well, thankfully we didn't have a catastrophe when we were gutting because there's a really sharp T-pin. And spring. There's a spring. Whoop. Okay, I didn't lose it. It's right here. So I got to be careful, folks. Now that is a cool looking pin too. So it looks like there was an attempt to vary spring strength. Alrighty. And we've got threading in 1, nothing in 2, threading in 3, nothing in 4, threading in 5, nothing in 6. So that would be probably why he ground down this top here so he could thread those chambers. All right, and let's take our camera here. So you can see these awesome pins. Look at that. Look how tight the serrations on those pins are. And look at this spool right there. Let me get my tweezers. So look at the spool right here. This one. I don't know if I get in closer. Oh, there we go. Look at that step down on there. That's crazy. And then look at the tight serrations on this one. Awesome job, Leyton. Look at this spool too. I'm just blown away right now, guys. Sorry. And then you can see the serrated core, and then it's hard to show. I don't think I can show. Maybe right here. You can see a little bit, not really. So that is the picking and gutting of Corona. We have successfully defeated Corona, guys. If you like this kind of content, like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.